Hi everyone, I have a haul here and this was sent to me by PandahallSelected.com. I'll leave a link to their website and to these products. So they reached out and asked if I would do a collaboration with them. And they did share a coupon code. It is YXYTBNC and that will save you 10% off of your order. So let's jump on in. They sent me this super cute bag. Like, look at how cute this is. DIY, craft, sew, the little panda right here getting to work, and then it has their little logo right there. This is so stinking cute. And I love it because here in California, we do not get bags. We have to bring our bags to the store or buy them every single time. So I always try to have my reusable bags in the car. So that's going to come in very much handy. So let's see. I got a wax seal. This was $7.57. And it is a honey pot. So here is like the little mason jar. There's some florals. There's a like little wooden spoon to dip to get your honey. And it just says sweet. So I will definitely be using that and show you guys what that looks like, how it stamps out. This was $4.95. Now this stuff does come from overseas, so it does take a little bit of time to come on in, but nothing too crazy, you know, what you would normally expect. A lot of their stuff, as you can see, comes already organized for you in the little plastic containers, which I love. You guys know me. Anything that's already organized for me is a definite plus in my book. So these charms are huge. They're probably the size of a quarter. So they're really good size. So here's our first one. Then we have a mushroom. We have a fairy. Oh, she's pretty. She's on some like white roses. There is a bumblebee here on a pink rose. I think that is all of them. So these are circles and this one actually has like a little decorative edge. That's really cute. And then this little fairy one is slightly larger than the other ones. And then these two seem to be about the same. But I want to double check. Oh, nope. I missed one right here. Here's another one. It has that same decorative edge like the little bumblebee right here. And then this one has a little yellow butterfly in the flowers. So let me just make sure that I showed you all of those. Okay, I think I did. So there are 5 different pieces to that set. And then in this set, this was $5.89. And these are beads. Oh my gosh, you guys know how much I love playing with my beads. And beautiful rhinestones, even better. Oh, are these like a rose gold? I thought they were like a gold, but no, these are actually a rose gold. Oh, that's pretty. So you have a double row of rhinestones. You can see right here at the bottom and the top row. Oh, these are beautiful and they shine so pretty. These probably are like, I'm going to guess a 12 mm bead. They're really nice size. You can see they are very large. So this will definitely fit on some beadable pins. So that's really nice. Those are beautiful. Wow. A lot shinier, prettier than what I expected. That's really nice. Let's see. Bumblebees. There's some little bumblebees. Let's see. This was $5.56. So we have little crocheted bumblebees. How cute are these? Got the little eyes, the little wings, the little body. It is brown, not black little stripes. Super cute. And then it came with the chain to make them into little keychains. So you have the little ring right there and then just a little chain. I don't see any jump rings, so you're going to need a jump ring to attach those. And my guess would be just to put it through, there we go, one little stitch right here, put your jump ring, and then go ahead and attach that on there. So there's that one. This was $7.52. Oh, actually, it looks just like those little bees right there. So it looks like these bees are right here. Let me open this up and check it out. These are all just the bumblebee with the rose. So they are exactly the same size, exactly the same. So this one's from that first kit and this is the second one. So yeah, they are just all bumblebee roses. That's beautiful. I'm not mad at it. I can use that for so many things. If you're doing a bee project, if you're doing a pink project, if you're doing like a Maggie Holmes project, that's perfect. I have more than enough to go ahead and use. So super stoked about that. This was $3.21. If you haven't been able to tell, I went for a bumblebee theme. So we have some bumblebee charms here. Let's see. So there's this floral one. There is this flower one. Ooh, and it's got rhinestones around the top. That's really pretty. This is, oh, a floral and pearls. That actually looks like little honey in there. So there's those. Oh, look, there is a little leaf. There is a white flower. There is a bumblebee right here with the little pearl on its back. Then a bumblebee with green little rhinestones. And I want to say that is all the pieces. Yes. Oh, nope, there's one more right here. And there is a tiny little wreath with a tiny little bumblebee in the corner and then the little flower there. So let me show you. Here are all the pieces that you get, and it looks like, yes, you get 2 of each. Yes. So that's all the pieces in there. That's really pretty. This one I would save for the fall time. That's what that makes me think of. It's really pretty, those little leaves. So got those. Then over here, this was $9 for this one. And it is technically a bracelet kit. I can't open my pen. It's technically a bracelet kit, but I am going to use it to make chunky charms. So it's just a bunch of little pastels. Like I said, it was $9. Comes in its own case. Look how pretty those little pastels are. So this is like a peachy pink, a baby blue, a white. There's some clear beads in here. Like I said, it's meant to be a bracelet, so they have the elastic here for you. There are pearls in 2 different sizes. It looks like there's some gold pearls back here. Let's see. There are some gold beads and some gold jump rings. And then there are some charms over here. So we have pink flower, little bunnies, planets, the moon, another bunny, another flower. Look, it's a bunny on a planet. That's funny. Then a carrot. And then a white flower. And it looks like there's almost 2 of each. So that's the little charms right there. And then there is your little kit. So we got that one. And our last item of the day is an earring kit, but it is the bumblebee theme. So here's what it looks like. And in this one we have the little earring hooks. We have some eye pins and some head pins. So let me pull them out so I can show you guys what is what. So this flat one is a head pin. And this one with the loop on the bottom is the eye pin. So eye pin, head pin. So there's those. It has some jump rings. It comes with little metal shapes. Oh, cute. So there's a larger one, a smaller one of the little octagon, and then there are little bars, and you can put a jump ring on either side because there are little holes there. So that's cute. You could use it like a bar this way and dangle, or you could use it this way, add some little beads. I might do that. I might use it both ways. So there's those. Get those back in. Ooh, this is the good kind of container with that the dividers do not come out. You guys know how much I love those. I prefer those because I do this a lot where I just like grab and then I end up messing up the divider. So I love that this case does not come out. So this one has little like raindrops, teardrops. So there is a yellow and a clear. Has a pearl, a yellow crackle, and that's it. So there's like 2, 4, 6 crackles, 6 pearls, and 4 yellow and 2 clear. Let's see these. Oh, these are pretty. Look at those. So there is little bumblebee charm. There's 2. There's 2 with the rhinestones, and this one actually has for you to go ahead and put a jump ring on the top and the bottom. Oh, there's actually 4 of those. So 4 of those rhinestone ones, 2 of the larger ones. Then in this one, oh, there's some more of those bees with the pearls. So pretty. The bee with the rhinestone wings. Super, super pretty. Yep, that's it. And then over here you have the little honeycomb. That's really pretty. And you have some moons. Oh, and those have the double holes as well. So you can put a jump ring on the top and the bottom. And then these are just solid gold little bumblebees right there. So that's our little haul today. I will definitely be coming back to share with you guys what I went ahead and I created with all of these. I'm going to get started. I'm really excited to make a bumblebee chunky charm. I think that'd be super cute. And I don't know what I want to do with these. I don't know if I want to make them into like a little keychain or just go ahead and have them be on my desk and just be super cute and super pretty. So we'll have to see. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below to their website, to these products, and with that coupon code. And if you guys ever have any questions, just let me know, and I'm more than happy to help you guys out. Oh, one more. Almost missed this guy back here. Sorry about that. $5.10 for this one, and it's just rhinestone beads. So that's what those look like. Just red rhinestone beads. Red is my favorite color, so why not? I love any rhinestone beads, and I just happened to see these, so I went ahead and I grabbed those. All right, now I'm done. Okay, bye guys.